That's sick. Hey guys, Go Get Sure, making more videos again, and today guys, we have these LED lights for the tire that we're gonna be installing from Lead Tops. So without further ado, let's get to it. So here's the actual box right here. I'm gonna leave the links in the description section of the video below and or the comment section. But as you can see guys, this is a pretty simple box and it's gonna be a very simple install. And it's supposed to make your tires look like that when you're driving. Now I don't know if it's actually gonna look like that. It would be awesome if it did. And here's the installation on the back. I actually did the liberty of opening the package already, and this is how it comes in the package. You have some literature right here, and also you have a tool right here which you do not require. And last but not least, the actual plug and play LED lights right here. I'm gonna take one out and actually show you what I'm talking about. So here's the actual device right here guys. Extremely simple to use. Obviously all you do is the plug and play system by just screwing it into the valve back here, and also there's a red button at the back. But the main thing is this thing is waterproof and also solar powered guys, so you don't have to change out the batteries or anything like that. Everything on paper sounds cool, everything sounds awesome about this. The only problem is I don't know how this is going to look, and that's the main thing. There's a ton of different modes guys on the back right here. You can click on it and then it powers it on. You can see you might want only white flashing light, and obviously when it spins it has like a circular design to it. There's white, there's red, there's blue, there's green, all kinds of different patterns as well, like 2 different lights and stuff like that. I'm gonna pick a couple of them, try it out and see how they look. But first let's actually install this bad boy. So installing this guy is extremely simple. All you do is basically take off the old tire valve right here, and as you can see, I'm gonna take off this bad boy right here. There we have it. There's the old tire valve. Put it down to the side right there, and then obviously just put this bad boy into this place. All 5 of these do come with the security nut right here, and you can put the security nut in, and you have a wrench right here as well. And what that does is basically when you have the security nut in there included with the actual LEDs, it's going to give it such a tight fit that it's going to be impossible to take this guy off, you know, in terms of theft, unless they have that wrench to, you know, remove that nut. But in my case, I'm not going to actually put that on. I'm just going to screw it on like this. You yourself do not have to actually, you know, do that as well. You can just screw it on, as you can see, just like this, if you don't want to use the security nut, and just get it on there as tight as possible. I'm not going to go too tight because it is plastic. Just hand tighten it and you'll be good to go. Let's take this. There we go. And there you have it. I have it on all 4 tires, one right there, one in the back, one right there, and one right there. Now, obviously, this is not going to be for everyone, guys, okay? But I love testing out different things, especially LEDs, just to see what's on the market, just to see what's there. And it's actually really interesting to me, okay? So if this is not for you, just use this as entertainment purposes. If you do like this, if you like how the output is going to look, then go ahead and get it and use it for, you know, just showing off to your friends, just whatever, you know, if you come to a party, whatever, wedding car, stuff like that. It's just to show you the art that's on the market in terms of LEDs for your tire, especially plug and play like this, especially quick and plug and play. One quick tip I'm gonna say is that make sure all of the LEDs are in the right position. Like this, I know is a red LED, and make sure that it is pointing all in the same direction. So in this case, I have red pointing down like 90 degrees to the tire right here. I also have red pointing to the 90 degrees to the tire right there. All of the tires are the exact same. Next thing what you want to do is just turn it on. And as you can see, here's a red LED right there. In this case, I think I'm just gonna leave it as a pulse for the first test on red for all of the tires, just to see how it looks. Obviously, it turns off until there's motion, and then it starts doing it to conserve power, but that's totally normal. As you can see, I'm gonna turn it on right there. You can see there's red. There's 15 different modes actually on this bad boy, so make sure you choose the mode that's right for you. So you can have all the lights on as well, and or do all kinds of different modes. And there we have it. You have red for there as well. Last but not least, here we go, and we are good to go. We're golden. Now we're gonna take it on the road when it gets a little bit more darker. I want to see it when it's completely dark, and we're gonna drive on the road. I'm gonna see how these things look when the lights are spinning. Hopefully they're cool. This is gonna be either a make it or break it product, so let's get to it. Alrighty guys, so I broke these tests up into 2 different categories. You know, we're talking about ambient lighting and also the speed of the vehicle. In this situation, the lighting is not that dark out here, and the speed of the vehicle is about 8 to 10 miles per hour. You can see it turn on, not too shabby. You know, I definitely know that right here it's a lot brighter
brighter. We're going about 15 miles per hour right there, and you kind of see it, you kind of don't see it. I mean, it definitely looks a lot better outside than on camera, but then again, it's still not as bright as something that is more permanent, something that's brighter, something that actually connects straight to the, the battery source. So then I wanted to do something that's a little bit faster. I thought maybe let's try to do something a little bit faster with the same type of lighting, same blinking effect, and we are right here going to go around 30 something miles per hour, 35 miles per hour. So let's see how this actually looks. So you can definitely see the vehicle coming right here, and we're going to see see it. If you're just walking down the street and you see that, it'll look like something interesting. It won't be something crazy. It'll just look like a small, maybe you want that, you know what I mean? Maybe you don't want it to be so bright, maybe you want it to be very subtle. So I totally understand if you're trying to go for that look. Right here is where we do the ultra dark test. So there's no street lights, super dark, and I turn on all the lights on there, and it looked awesome, guys. Like, the camera, like I said, does not do justice how cool this looked. Very subtle, and it looked interesting, looked awesome. Now, would I use this on every single day? No, absolutely not. I wouldn't use this on every single day while I'm driving or anything like that. However, for the right situation, this will work, because we actually put this on my friend's vehicle at a glow LED light 5K run. So everyone's in LEDs, everyone's wearing glow sticks and stuff like that, so it's all like super colorful and stuff. And we pulled up to this with the LEDs light, and it fit into the environment. We definitely got a lot of reactions. It's pretty cool seeing the amount of reactions that we got, because obviously it fit for that environment, the glow LED 5K run. So it's not for every type of environment, and that's the beauty of it. Once you're done using it for your wedding, for your whatever, you take it off, you put it away, and then you're back to normal. When you need it, when you want to look eccentric, when you want to look fancy, when you want to look cool, bam, you take it out, and then you're good to go. Like I said, it looked awesome, and you have all the lights on. I thought it looked pretty cool, and my friend definitely loved it, and he loved the reactions of the people and also what they had to say about the LEDs on the tire. So definitely not bad for the right situation.
Alrighty guys, that's pretty much it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Links to purchase the products are going to be in the description section of the video below, and or in the comment section. I'm going to pin it as a top comment. But yeah, what do you guys think about those LEDs? Do you like them? Do you not like them? Let me know in the description section as well. I want to know your thoughts. They're not for everyone, I totally understand, but in certain situations I think it would look kind of chill and kind of cool just to have something different, something nice at a party or whatever, car meet, whatever it is. But yeah, let me know in the description below, what do you guys think about that. But if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and with that being said, there should be a subscribe button and also a video button popping right here. Make sure you click on for more videos in the future. Other than that, guys, get your share saying thanks for watching, and peace.